Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to do a strip lash tutorial doing it my way. So traditionally you would put strip lashes on the top side of your lashes. That doesn't work for me, so I put it on the underside, and I always get asked lots of questions how exactly I do that. So we're going to jump right into all of the things that you'll need to apply your lashes. So you'll need some strip lashes, obviously, and the transparent band styles work the best for this technique. You'll also need some lash glue. I prefer a brush-on formula. Some isopropyl alcohol in a spray bottle for cleaning your lashes if need be, and some tweezers. So now that you know what you need to get started, let's get at it. So here I wanted to show you what it looks like with one of my lashes already put on one eye, and then I'm gonna do the other one on camera for you. So here I'm using some specific lash tweezers, and because I've already done one eye, there's a little bit of sticky residue from my mascara on them, and so you want to make sure you clean that off before you try to apply the next ones, otherwise they'll kind of stick to them and ruin your application. So when you're putting the glue on, you want to put them on the top side of the lashes. You want to be careful and fairly precise with the glue. You don't want the glue to be globbed on, and you also don't want it to kind of get stuck in between the lashes. You want to keep it mostly on the band. Now, traditionally, you would put the glue either on the very edge of the band or on the underside of the band, but because we're putting this on the underside of our eye, we actually want to put it on the top side of our lashes. So you can see that this brush-on formula, it's a Duo brand. It kind of goes on a transparent blue color. You put it on fairly thin, and then I just kind of make sure that there's some heavier beads on there. Just evenly distributed is fine. Now, something I can't stress enough is to actually let the glue dry until you think it's almost dry before you start the application process. This is even more important when we're applying in this method on the underside of your eye, because you don't want to get the glue in your eye. Now, I have gotten glue in my eye before, and it just kind of, it stings a little bit, is not unbearable, and it'll make your vision go blurry a little bit until it gets balled up in the corner of your eye. No, my vision hasn't been harmed by doing this, but it doesn't feel very nice, that's for sure. So while I'm letting the glue dry, I am kind of bending it into the shape. That's probably one of the big tips about applying strip lashes, is making sure that they're not completely straight, that they kind of follow the form of your eye. The next thing, and what I was just doing there, is making sure to grab the lashes right in the center. Now we're going to get up close and personal with my eyeball here. This is definitely a two-handed process. So lift up your eyelid so that you can see the water line of your eye. Touch down in the center and hold it there for a few seconds just to make sure that it's adhered properly. And then go ahead and attach either the outer corner or the inner corner. Now, placement wise, you are only putting it at the very root of your lashes. You're not putting it further in closer to your eyeball. You're making sure that the water line between your eyeball and your lash line is free and clear of glue and lashes. You want to make sure that you're placing the lashes just at the root of your lashes. And here I'm just squeezing the lashes together. The Senegence mascara that I use and love stays a little bit tacky and never gets hard and dry. So it's my favorite thing to use with strip lashes, because when you're squeezing them together, it's making a very seamless transition. Most people can't tell that I'm wearing strip lashes. Only the people that know me and kind of watch my videos on my beauty group know that. So here I'm just lifting up my lashes to show you that there's a large space in my waterline between my eyeball and my lashes. So these lashes are not bothering my eyeball at all. I can't even feel them. They're super light, and I can wear them for hours and hours. So there you have it. That's how I apply my strip lashes to the underside of my eyes. They look natural. They're super comfortable. You can wear it with or without eyeliner. So if you guys give this technique a try, let me know how you like it. Thanks again for watching.